Need an answer fast? You need Garage Gurus on call. Our master technicians have a wealth of useful knowledge at their fingertips. The answer to your question is just a short phone call away. Our gurus are fluent in a variety of languages to provide technical support to garages, installers, and end users of our products via the telephone or by email, solving any queries relating to drive components and their application. Garage Gurus provide quick, accurate advice to customers and fully answer their questions. Many support calls come from mechanics while they're undertaking a job. Getting timely answers is important as they don't want to waste time while completing a repair or keep their customers waiting. We also stay up to date with latest part launches and technologies so we can provide a high level of support.